If you're worried about tax hikes, you're not alone. In fact, many American retirees are scrambling to protect their savings from the inevitable increase in taxes. With the current economic landscape, we're seeing higher inflation rates and financial instability. And this could mean tax hikes are on the horizon. The government needs more revenue, and you could be the one that ends up footing the bill. But there's good news. There's a way to prepare that could not only protect your nest egg from rising taxes, but also help you safeguard it from the effects of inflation. That way is through a gold IRA. Stick around to find out how one retiree, Jeff from Florida, took action and turned his retirement plan into a tax-friendly, inflation-resistant powerhouse. Let me first set the scene for you. The US economy has been on shaky ground lately. Inflation is soaring, and recent headlines from financial analysts say it's only going to get worse. President Biden's administration has indicated plans to raise taxes in the coming years, which means your IRA or 401k could be worth much less in the future when taxes are higher. Now that might sound scary, but here's the thing. What if I told you that you can actually protect your retirement from these tax hikes? Meet Jeff, a 58-year-old retiree from Tampa, Florida. Jeff spent over 30 years working as a school administrator, diligently saving for his retirement. By the time he hit 60, Jeff had built up $500,000 in his traditional IRA. But with the looming threat of higher taxes, Jeff realized that his IRA wasn't going to go as far as he hoped. And with inflation eating away at his savings, he felt like his hard-earned retirement might not last as long as he'd planned. So Jeff did what many smart retirees are doing right now. He took action. He decided to roll over a portion of his retirement savings into a gold IRA. He started with $200,000, and let me tell you, it wasn't just about avoiding taxes. It was about protecting his family's future. Gold has historically been a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty. It holds its value when other investments are falling, and it's not tied to the stock market's volatility. Plus, when you roll over part of your IRA into a gold IRA, you're adding a tax-deferred asset to your portfolio. That means your gold is protected from current and future taxes, and it will continue to grow in value. But what about you? I know it might seem daunting to make such a big decision. That's why we're offering a free, no-obligation consultation. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, you qualify for a free gold IRA guide and a personal one-on-one call to walk you through the process. There's no pressure, no high-pressure sales tactics, and no gimmicks. Just honest educational advice to help you determine if a gold IRA is the right move for you. We'll discuss your goals, your concerns, and whether this strategy could make sense for your retirement. We're here to provide value, not pressure. Remember, you've worked hard for your retirement. It's time to make sure it's protected for you and the generations that follow. Don't wait until tax hikes eat away at your savings. Take that first step now. Download your free gold IRA guide and schedule your no-obligation call. We're in this together, and we want to help you make the smartest, most secure decision for your future. Click the link below, and let's get started today. Your retirement deserves it.